How to do blue comment on TikTok. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to do blue comment on TikTok. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the TikTok application on your device and make sure you are signed in, and now go ahead and open the TikTok video that you want to make a blue comment in. You will then see the blue comments in the comment section, and if you want the blue comment on your comment too, then tap on the text box and now make sure to comment something related to the video. It can be anything that has to do with the video. For instance, I will comment makeup artist since the video is related to makeup. Once you have made the comment, quit the TikTok application and open it again in a while. And now, if you go ahead and check your comment in the activity tab, you will see that your comment has turned blue, which will further be a search link related to the comment. So this is how you can get blue comment on TikTok. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.